Hi, I'm Ray, and I'm one of Bosch's product experts. Let me introduce you to the Bosch Series 6 washing machine. It's not only lovely to look at with its sleek and stylish design, but it's also packed with clever technology to give your laundry the premium fabric care it deserves. It boasts a huge capacity with a spacious 10-kilogram drum. This makes it perfect for large families who get through several loads in a week, or weekend washers who like to do it all in one go. This model also comes in contemporary graphite colour, and both versions come with a 5-year warranty for extra peace of mind. This is one of our most energy efficient washing machines. In fact, it's 20% more energy efficient than the standard required to reach an A rating. So you can rest easy knowing you can save money on your energy bills. I mentioned this washing machine's clever tech earlier, and there's none more intelligent than the iDOS auto dosing system. With this feature, you'll no longer need to add detergent and fabric softener every wash. Simply fill the machine up once and iDOS will automatically measure and dispense the right amount of detergent and softener. You can also use the Bosch Home Connect app to scan the barcode on your laundry detergent bottle. The app will identify the exact brand and formula you use and automatically adjust the iDOS system based on the concentration and recommended dose. If you need a clean work shirt for the next morning, the SpeedPerfect function can reduce your cycle times by up to 65% without compromising on results. You can use it in combination with most wash programs across all load sizes and fabric types, helping you fast track your clothes back to their sparkling best. And sticking with the subject of speed, there's also a traditional quick wash program called Super Quick 30. It can tackle a 4-kilogram wash load in just 30 minutes, which is handy if you've just realised it's PE day. You can even reduce this by a further 15 minutes for smaller 2-kilogram loads by selecting the SpeedPerfect option with this program. And if you want to ensure your shirts and the rest of your laundry are wrinkle-free, this model comes with added steam. It's an option that gently introduces steam into the drum at the end of your cycle to relax the fibres in your fabrics and reduce creases, making ironing easier. If you have clothes that are already washed and dried, but looking a little creased, this model can help there too. Simply use Iron Assist, which uses steam to reduce creases in just 20 minutes. So if you're looking for a sleek and stylish washing machine that's packed with intelligent technology, programs and options, look no further than this energy efficient Series 6 model.